This QZAT truck cap lock kit provides a matched set of left and right T-handle locks that arrive ready to mount on most camper shells and toppers without hunting for extra hardware. All 4 locks are keyed alike, so a single key operates every handle, which makes daily use simpler and reduces the chance of misplacing different keys. The cam direction can be adjusted during installation, allowing you to fine-tune how each handle turns to open or close depending on your truck cap layout. Standard hole spacing makes these locks a practical replacement for many factory truck cap and van door handles, whether you are upgrading one side or securing both sides evenly. The handles, cores, and bases are built from zinc alloy with protective coatings, paired with galvanized steel and iron components, giving the kit solid resistance to rust and road grime. Overall, this lock kit offers a sturdy feel, straightforward installation, and consistent operation that together make a noticeable improvement in truck bed security and convenience.